In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the rear driver's side forward quarter panel splash shield on your Hyundai Sonata. Let's get started. Using a 21mm socket, remove the 5 lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Using a 14mm socket, we're going to remove the plastic nuts holding on the fender liner. Remove the splash shield. Install the splash shield. We're going to get it started on the left side first, and then install the right side. Grab your plastic clips. You can push these straight on. You don't have to snug them down. Install the wheel. Get the lug nuts started. Snug them down. Torque the lug nuts to 80 foot-pounds in a star pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.